Hey guys, Markel here and welcome back to Joel TV. Today we're going to be using the aloe vera leaf to go through my hair, and I'm going to show you guys how to cut it up and do all of that. Make sure you guys stay tuned to the end because you're not going to want to miss how this looks on my hair. Also, like and subscribe. Alright, so I got my aloe vera leaf from Compare Foods. You can get it from Walmart, Trader Joe's, Target. Just look around. It's usually about $1, and once you get it, you're set to go. So, first step I do is cut the leaf. You're going to want to cut it into sections so it's more manageable. Next, I like to cut off the sides. This further exposes the gel. So right here you see me grabbing the extra that I have already cut off. Put this to the side because you're going to want to make sure that you use all of the leaf. So keep these little pieces and make sure you scrape from them at the very end. Okay, so here's the best step. You're going to want to cut straight through the gel all the way down. And this is pretty much the consistency that you're looking for when you put it together. You're going to have that really thick, mucousy gel. Here, you're going to cut through only the gel. Don't cut through the entire leaf. Just cut through the gel, dividing it to about 6 or 8 sections. This will help the spoon get the entire section in one sweep. If you're scooping, you're going to scoop out a whole bunch of squares from each of the pieces of gel. So just scoop those into your large container and you're good to go. Alright guys, so when you're all done, this is the consistency. You're going to have a really thick gel, and now you can move to your next step. Alright, so this is where there's a massive disclaimer. Yeah, I'm using 2 different bowls and a strainer, but in a second you're going to see that I basically throw all these out because it doesn't work at all. Make sure you guys have the proper material before you start. So disregard this, but you'll see really where I messed up. So the idea here, I got all the aloe vera gel and I'm pouring it into the strainer. You're really going to get a lot of stuff coming out fast, so make sure you have the proper materials again and be ready for it. Just let it naturally come out and you get that nice mucousy, weird, yeah, it's going to be nasty just like all the other videos, the flaxseed and everything. But once you get that out, make sure it just goes straight into another container. Nah guys, I'm just kidding. I didn't break the glass, but I did get rid of that little tiny glass that I had, and I started just using this bigger bowl that I'm using now. So the reason you're going to want to squeeze on it and pull up, in a fast motion is because you want to get all of the thickness out, all of the gel, and really make it into a smaller liquid form that you can use in a spray bottle or directly on your hair. So when you're all done, this is the consistency that you are looking for. You want that watery substance that you can put directly in a spray bottle. As you can see, still in the strainer is a lot of aloe vera gel left. So cheat code, go ahead and use a blender. Don't waste your time. Go ahead and use it. You can see those big chunks that I'm pulling out. Just put it in a blender. So look right here. This is all pretty much completely liquid. Put that thing in a blender, a Ninja, whatever you have, and just let it go to work. Now this is easily going to fit through my spray bottle. So this is pretty much the last step. Go ahead and pour it in your spray bottle and it's ready to go. There's no other extra things you need. You can put some essential oils in it. I chose not to, but do whatever your heart desires.
Hold up, is that a... Oh my god. You might be asking me why I got the do-rag on. Oh, y'all want a wave check? Alright. Now you might be asking yourself, why does he have braids? There's another video coming out probably either before or after this to show why I have braids, because I tried to make, well, cornrows. I tried to make a friend. She was like, let me cut your hair. I'm the best barber ever for quarantine. And I was like, why not? You know, I trust you. I support you. I got you. Bro, when I tell y'all she tore my hair up, and I'm looking right at her. But she did a pretty good job on the fade. You know, it's nice and good. But she decided she was going to go ahead and do braids and just connect some of the pieces of the braid. So we're about to use the aloe vera treatment in the hair, and we'll see how it goes.
Alright, so here I got my friend. She's going to go ahead and spray the aloe vera gel all in my hair and just rub it down. Yeah, I got the cornrows. We'll talk about that in a whole nother video. Make sure you guys go see the haircut video on how that actually happened. But essentially, she's just putting it straight on the scalp. And I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. Once you get the tightest cornrows in the world, this feels like a spa treatment. So this is all you gotta do. Real simple. I had about maybe another day's worth use in there once she sprayed it all over my head. So it goes quick, but again, it's $1. So make sure you guys tap in. So once again, to the black positivity of the day, these are all black owned hair care products. Guys, a lot of stuff is not going to work on your hair. A lot of stuff hasn't worked on my hair. But when that happens, create your own mix. Everybody likes to, mix oils, mix different moisturizers, deep conditioners. Do stuff like that. And if that still doesn't work for you, make your own. And guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be making my own coming soon. I'm not going to tell anything about it, but there's definitely going to be a major video on it. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Later.